Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Welcome to my Tech Ahmer YouTube channel. Today in this video we discuss about liability insurance. In the previous video we discussed what is fire insurance, but in this video we discuss what is liability insurance and how does it work. So let's start the video. First of all, you click on your browser. When you click your browser, this page will be opened. You just click in the search bar and search what is liability insurance. When you search what is liability insurance, the website page will be opened. You just click in this website, liability insurance, what is and how does it work. When you click this website, the page will be opened of what is liability insurance. First of all, we discuss what is liability insurance. Liability insurance is an insurance product that provides protection against claim resulting from injuries and damage to other people or property. Liability insurance policies cover any legal cost or payouts in insured parties is responsible for if they have to found legally liable in initials and damage and controllable liabilities are generally not covered in liability insurance policies. Unlike other types of insurance liability, insurance policies pay third parties and not policy holders. Key takeaways: liability insurance provides protection against the claims resulting from injuries and damage to people and or properties. Liability insurance covers a legal cost of payouts and in which they have to insured party will be found of liable provision, and the covered include initial and international damage, controllable and liabilities commercial procedure. Liability insurance is often required for automotive insurance policies, product manufacturer, and any out who is practices medicine or laws. Personal injuries, worker compensation, and commercial liability are types of liability insurance. How liability insurance work? Liability insurance is a critical that who has those and liable for at the fault of injuries sustained and the other peoples who have even an insured parties damages someone else's properties. As such, liability insurance is called third party insurance. Liability insurance does not cover international and criminal act even if they have to insured party found legally responsible. Policies are taken payout and anyone who has owner of business, driver a car, practices medicine or law, basically anyone who have can to sort of damage and or injuries. Policies protect both of insured and third parties who may be have to injured in and resulting of policy holder and international and negligence. For instance, they have to many states required for the vehicle owner and the liability insurance under their automotive insurance policies to cover injuries and the people that have property to events and for accidents. A product manufacturer as a purchase product liability insurance to cover items and product affordably. In the cases of damage purchases or another third party business owner and purchase liability insurance that cover them if the employer is injuries and during to the business operations, the decision doctors to the sugarness and make while on the job and also required liability insurance policies. Now we discuss special considerations. Personal liability insurance policies are purchased primarily and a high net worth individual or these are sizable assist and but the types of coverage is recommended to anyone with a net worth to extent of the combined coverage limit of their personal injuries and insurance policies such as home or auto coverage. The cost of additional insurance policies does not appeal of everyone. Although most of carriers is reduced rate of the bundle coverage package, personal liability insurance is considered and secondary policy also may be required a policy holders to carry certain limits of their home auto policies, which may result in additional expenses. Facts also commercial general liability insurance protect the against of most legal health and it does not protect directors of the officers and form of being sued and it does not protect the insured against errors and omissions. Companies require social policies of these cases including error of omission liability insurance. Errors of omission liability insurance policies cover lawsuit arising to the negligent professional services of failing to perform professional duties. Lawyer and accountant of architecture, engineer and a business providing a services a client of the should be free purchases has form of insurance and E&O policy does not cover criminal procedure and fundament of the dishonest act and claim of the against badly injured the insured. However, the cover of attorney fees expenses, court cost, and the settlement up of the amount specified by the insurance contract. Directories of the officers insurance, the type of policy product directories and the officers of largest companies against legal judgment and cost of arising unlawful act, erroneous and investment of decision or failure maintain property.